Looking for a thorough and powerful clean? We researched over a dozen of the best drill bush options available today. Before choosing 5 to test side by side, we found the dirtiest crevices and cracks to clean, buffing out the kitchen, bathroom, and garage surfaces. We even took each tool to the dirtiest of outdoor gear, cleaning bike spokes and parts. While cleaning, we assessed the functionality and performance of each, finding nuanced uses and best performers for specific categories. After hours of literally scrubbing the surfaces around our home, we offer our recommendations to help you in your future purchases. Our best tools list is rather handy as well. Our best drill review may be of some interest, and we've also tested a wide variety of other tools for your home projects. There are numerous options for cheap best drill brush, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best drill brush from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit. The tested blue version of the Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit is optimized and pitched for use on your water sports equipment. The texture is medium in stiffness, which works well on plastic and fiberglass. The blue color is intuitively associated with water and water sports. The brush texture itself is indiscernible from the medium stiffness of other colors from other manufacturers. We couldn't discern a difference, and manufacturers do not claim a difference between medium stiffness brushes of different colors. Colors are differentiated to avoid potential cross-contamination from one use to the next. This is the smallest set of brushes we tested. There are just 3 different shapes, and the 360 does not include an extension quick change function. Other sets and manufacturers include a standard, long 1/4 inch drive bit extender. The overall function suffers just a little for this simplicity, but we could reach pretty much all the surfaces we wanted to clean. As a result, it's a favorite for water sports equipment, as you can get into any crevice in that context easily enough. Number 2. JUSONEY 31-piece brush attachment set. The best product we tested is, not coincidentally, the largest set we tested. The JUSONEY 31-piece set is a versatile, diverse collection of brushes and drill-mounted scrubbing tools that work well for a wide variety of tasks around the home and the garage. There are brushes of different shapes, sizes, and textures for light and heavy tasks. There are also fibrous and sponge scrubber attachments that affix with hook and loop Velcro to a dedicated scrubbing round. If you can't scrub it with a large set like the JUSONEY, you can't scrub it at all. Our main complaint about the JUSONEY set is that it lacks medium stiffness brushes. The orange brushes included are most similar to red brushes from other manufacturers. Additionally, the brushes are at either end of the stiffness spectrum, but omit medium options of any color. Medium texture models come in different colors to avoid potential cross-contamination through cleaning tasks. Number 3. Best for all-around versatile use. The Ultimate Drill Brush. This 6-piece set from the Ultimate Drill Brush is versatile, compact, and affordable. Each component is robust and of high quality. The 6 pieces represent different texture stiffnesses in different shapes. For most casual household use, you will find some version of what you need in this set. That it's all available at a reasonable price only sweetens the deal. This is a solid, basic set of drill brushes. For professional level or extended use, this set is limited. Because each piece varies in both shape and texture, you may not find the shape you want in the texture you need. Further, Drill Brush Incorporated doesn't include an extension or fast change adapter with this set. Most of the other high-scoring products have this in the package, and it gives you more options for changing shapes mid-task and getting into hard-to-reach corners. Any standard 1/4 inch drive bit extender will do the job, but we wish it were included with this set. Number 4. Soft and gentle applications. Hiware 4-piece drill brush. The Hiware 4-piece drill brush is good for even more than the model name suggests. Many, of course, will purchase it for automotive use. However, the brush textures are also suitable for carpets and upholstery inside your house. These white brushes are the softest available on the market. The 3 different shapes give you enough options to reach whatever corners you need to reach. We had great luck scrubbing stains from the carpet and buffing shinier surfaces, with no damage to either. The Hiware Car Kit is not the most versatile option we tested. Other colors are stiffer and, therefore, more suitable for challenging tasks on robust surfaces. If you want a drill brush set for all-around home and shop use, Go with a bigger and more versatile kit. For extensive scrubbing of sensitive and more delicate materials, the Hiware kit is our top recommendation. Number 5. Holikme 22-piece drill brush attachment set. The Holikme 22-piece drill brush attachment set is relatively comprehensive at a reasonable price. They include 4 of 6 possible colors, 3 of 4 possible brush textures, and all 4 different shapes that we know of. Further, this set includes a reasonably comprehensive set of abrasive scrubbing pads. All these options should cover your various scrubbing and brushing needs. The Holikme 22-piece set is pretty expensive and doesn't include the stiffest brush texture in any shape. As a result, we had a hard time scrubbing out some of the toughest stuff that you might see on the surface. If you're simply seeking various abrasive pads, this set may work. The stiffest brush texture is more useful than you might think. In all our testing, we tried all the different stiffnesses on a variety of surfaces. Despite what you might think, drill brushes aren't particularly damaging. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.